Good morning and welcome to week 4. I wanted to take a minute and go over a few things that some of you may not know. Most importantly, I would like for all of you to download Symbaloo and use it on a daily basis. Symbaloo is like the apps on your phone, it's just apps on your computer, and you can use this to access all of your curriculum. Like if you're in OdysseyWare, here is the OdysseyWare tab, here is Compass tab, here is Homework Help tab. We have Vocabulary and Spelling City, Study Island, Dreambox, IXL. If you need to get a hold of Beasley Tech Support, you would click on here and write a ticket so that you can get your laptop fixed, or maybe you're missing a charger or whatever it is that you need. But you will find everything that you need with Epic right here on this website. And the great thing about Symbaloo is that it saves all of your passwords so that you don't have to remember them every week. So that's one really important thing that you should do this week. The next important thing is I send out a weekly newsletter that looks like this. And on this newsletter, you're going to find really important information like what percent you're supposed to be at this week. So this week is week 4. You should be at 21% by Friday when I do your grades. It also tells you some announcements, like on October 3rd at the Okmulgee Library, we are going to have the Okmulgee Fire Department will be visiting, and we'll get to look at their fire trucks, and they're going to go over some fire safety things with us. It also tells you if we have any class cancellations, any kind of important information that you might need to know will be found here. The next thing is the pacing guide. If you click on this, you will be able to view the pacing guide for the week. We're on this week right here, and you should be at 21%. This is the Epic calendar. You can get on there and look at that. It gives you important information too. And if you click here, you will find a letter with all of the field trips that we're planning to take this year. And so you can kind of make plans to join us. On here, you will find a note from me every week. And you will also find this Study Island blue ribbon. This is how many blue ribbons you should have at the end of this week. 4. Below that is a button for Symbaloo. You can click the button and it will take you directly to Symbaloo, or you can click this button and it takes you directly to Homework Help. If you are going to be in a meeting with me or in class with me, you can click on my button and it takes you directly to our Zoom meeting. And this is our class Facebook page. If you are not on our Facebook page, you should join because I always put important information there too. This is our weekly schedule for Tuesday and Thursday virtual meetings. We meet every Tuesday and Thursday virtually. Here are the links that you'll click to join the teacher that whoever's class you're in. And here's the schedule. You'll just pick what grade you're in. If you're in 3rd grade at 10 o'clock, you're with me. And then if you're in 3rd grade still, you're in at 1 o'clock. You get a break until 1 o'clock and you are with Mrs. Kelly at 1 o'clock for math. You'll just find whatever grade you're in, and that's the class you'll join. So if I'm with Miss Kelly, I will come up here and click on Miss Kelly's Zoom link. The Wednesday meetups, we meet every Wednesday at the Okmulgee Library basement. And here's the address. If we're not going to have a meeting for some reason, I will be sure to let you know. It'll be up in the top where the announcements are. This is my contact information, and here is our principal's contact information if you feel the need to contact her as well. Another really important thing when I'm doing grades is this weekly schedule. If you are in 3rd grade through 8th grade, you should be following this schedule. So you're supposed to be doing 2 lessons in Spelling City each week, 30 minutes or 2 lessons in Spelling City each day for a total of 10 lessons for the week, and then 30 minutes in Dreambox every day. In IXL, it's 20 minutes and 20 minutes. And then you'll do your online curriculum, your online meetings. You should be trying to utilize Homework Help once a week. I have one student who utilizes it every single day, and she's doing an amazing job. Anyways, and the last thing that you will do every day is you'll read for 30 minutes. Now, in your 30 minutes of reading, you will be doing Read Theory, which is right here, Read Theory. And when you click on that, you'll log in and you will read a short passage and answer 5 questions. And then the rest of if it takes you 10 minutes to do that, then you have 20 minutes to read whatever you want. And right now we're doing novel studies, so you can read one of the novels that we're reading together in class, or you're free to read whatever you would like to read just for the 20 minutes. So make sure that you're following the schedule, because when I do grades, I need to see, when I log in, it shows me exactly how much time that you spent in each, and that's what I'm looking for when I do your grades. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. And if not, I'll see you shortly. Have a great week.